Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sudha Singitam. Plants always make me happy. In this small space of my balcony, I have grown my own little garden, and today I will share with you my simple balcony routine. And along with that, I'll also show you my new nightwears from Clovia. Come on, let's dive into the video. So let's just start by harvesting these methi leaves. My mom, when she was here last month, she has sown these methi seeds and now they are fully grown, and there are two ways to harvest them. You can either just cut the leaves or you can pluck from the root, but then you have to sow the seeds again. Here are the methi leaves, and what I am wearing is my new nightwear from Clovia. So I have received this Clovia order in this gift wrap, and you can choose to gift wrap if you want to, or it's optional, and their packaging is really superb. And right now Clovia spring season sale is going on, so you get 40 to 80% off plus 300 off on the purchase of $12.99. And they also have flat discounts on their entire site, but if you use my coupon code SS15 you will get extra 15% off on minimum order of $4.99. This is the first night dress that I got. It is in emoji theme. Yeah, they have a lot of styles and themes. So this one has a cute fox emo on the tee, and it has a black pajama, and it is very comfortable, 100% cotton, and it has pockets too. And the second night dress is very pretty. It is in tropical print and a soft rayon material, and it is a button down shirt and a pajama set, and it also has pockets and is so comfy. Now coming back to the balcony routine, I frequently cut off these dry flowers so that fresh leaves start sprouting from there, and new buds will form, and new flowers will bloom. Keeping this dry hibiscus so that I can mix it in my hair mask. After all the cutting and pruning is done, I clean off the floor. Weekly once I wash the whole balcony using a pipe, but daily basis I just sweep it off. Now it's time for watering the plants. Because it is summer, I just water the plants every day. Although some plants that are succulents and like bougainvillea, they don't need watering every day, but now it is peak summer in Bangalore, so I'm just watering regularly. Otherwise in winters and rainy, like alternative watering is also enough. And look at there, that is my new Karela plant growing. I got this last time when I went to the plant nursery for better flowering of the plants, and I'll try using this for the first time. Otherwise I just add banana peels or just all the fruit peels and vegetable peels that we have at home. And sometimes the water that is there after washing the rice or the pulses, even that water I add to the plants so that they give strength to the plants. But if you're using these bio granules, then it is just 1 small teaspoon per pot, and at the edges of the pot, not near the roots. Once in 15 days is enough. That's all for this video. Hope you have enjoyed watching my simple balcony routine and also the night dress haul from Clovia. And do check their website. I'll add the link in the description below. See you all in my next video. Till then, take care. See ya.